channel Admirable in the Art and Craft. So today I am back with no tutorial. So today in my new video I will be showing you how to make easy 3 DIY keyrings in 3 different ways. So let's get started with the procedure, but before starting don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And these keyrings you can use in your houses, key, school bags, etc. So let's get started with the procedure, but before starting I want to say you that please watch the full video for the latest updates. So let's get started with the procedure. For making the first type of keyring, I have taken here white plain sheet and I want to tell you how to make easy DIY donut notebook keyring. So let's make it. So take here a white sheet and just fold it into half like this. And just mark a crease. Then fold it again into half. Similarly, and just mark a crease. Now just fold it in this way and mark a crease. Now take here a ruler and a compass with pencil and just mark around 3.5 to 4 centimeter on the ruler and just make a circle over the sheet and just cut. Something like this you're required here with, means like a notebook, but these are not joined, so we will staple them together to make a notebook. And here I have created similarly with the another sheet for increasing the thickness of my notebook, but you can take the single piece only according to your preference and according to the thickness of the sheet. Now I am going to staple it, so just mark a one pin at the center in the between. Like this. So let's make a cover. So here is the required notebook. See. So for making the cover I have taken here yellowish color sheet and I have drawn here a circle before of measure 5 centimeter from the compass. Now just cut it. I have cutted the circle. Similarly take another piece like this. Now I am gonna stick it on the cover. So add glue to the outer flap of the notebook and just take the one circle outer side and similarly turn it away and add glue to the back again similarly and just stick the another circle over it. So the cover is ready. Now let's decorate it like a donut. Similarly for the upper part to decorate, take here a pink color sheet and just draw here a circle of around 4 to 4.5 centimeter. Now on the outer part of circle I have drawn here a design like a donut, means in the curving pattern like this. I am highlighting it. Cut it. Now I have cut it the required shape. Now just fold it into half like this and draw a semicircle on its center. And just cut it. Similarly you are required here with 2 pieces. Now just add glue to its back and flap it over the center of the notebook like this. Similarly you follow the back at the back. Now take here a marker or sketch pen and draw some sprinkles over the donut like this with different shades of marker like this. You follow the similar process at the back of the notebook too. Now I have followed the process at the back too. Now I am drawing here the cute smiley eyes and the mouth like this. See, at the front also I have created the face. So now let's hang it using keyring. So for the keyring, I have taken here a keyring chain which is available in the market. So you can purchase it. Now let's hang it on the notebook. Now using punch hole, just mark the punches on all the sheets to hang the keyring like this. You can notice the punches. Now just take the end of the keyring and just insert it through the hole. See, now I have inserted the keyring. Now I am locking it with the scissor or the hole punch. So your cute beautiful keyring is ready. See how beautiful it is looking. So let's move further. For making the third type of keyring, I am making here a Mickey Mouse look keyring. So take here a black glitter sheet and I have drawn here two circles of radius around 2 to 3 centimeter. I am overlapping it like this. So cut them using scissor. So here I have cutted the two circles and these two circles with the cutted loops for the face and these for the ears of the Mickey Mouse. So now let's make a bow for the Mickey Mouse face. So just fold these sheet into half like this and just press it with your fingers and here I am drawing here the curve shape for the bow like this and just cut it. So this will be the required shape for the bow. So now take your glue gun and just add glue gun little bit in the center of the bow and just fold this end to the center and add little more glue and just stick this another portion like this. So your bow is ready. Now just take your faces and the ears and flap it over together like this. And add little glue gun to the ears and just stick it like this on the top. See, like this. So your Mickey Mouse face is ready. Now add little glue gun to the bow in the center, not in the right and left, and just stick it here in the center of the ears like this. And I am sticking one bead in the center of the bow. So yeah, it is done. So let's hang a keyring to it. Similarly, take here another piece of keyring for this So just turn it back and add glue gun to the back of the Mickey Mouse and just hang the keyring like this and let it dry for some times. So the beautiful piece of keyring is ready. See how cute it is looking. So now let's move to the third one. Making the third pair of keyring, I have taken here the orange color wool and take here one fork and just take the wool and wrap it around the fork like this. We're gonna make here a pom-pom keyring. So first of all, I'm gonna make here a pom-pom. So wrap it around the fork around 100 to 150 times like this. Just make sure to leave the gap between the fork. So now just cut the excess wool using scissor. Now just take here a little piece of wool and just double it and insert it through the center of the fork. Now just remove the loop from the fork and just tie it using a double thread knot like this. Like this. Carefully. Now I am tying the second knot like this and just tighten it and just cut the excess wool like this. Like this, you have to cut the excess wool. So now let's move further. Now using scissor, cut these loops and make sure to use here a sharp edge scissor, otherwise your pom-pom will not get a shape. Cut slowly the wool like this. Now just trim its excess wool like this. Now cut the loops from the other side of the pom-pom and just cut the excess and just shape it. Now just roll it in your palms and just get a shape it like this and just cut excess if you see something there. So see how spongy pom-pom it is. So now let's make a keyring. Now take here some pearls and a needle and the inserted wool. Now insert it pom-pom through the needle and just now insert some pearls through the needle like this. Now I have inserted here some 9 to 10 pearls. Now just take here a keyring and I have taken here upper part of the keyring, not the whole, and just you insert the needle through this jump ring and insert it and just mark a knot over the keyring. Now I've inserted the keyring and just I'm marking here a last knot like this, and just cut the excess wool from the top and just cut it from the bottom also. So your beautiful and the last keyring is ready, and see how beautiful it is looking. And these keyrings you can create in 5 minutes. So I hope you all guys like the video. So enjoy the video and must share with your friends, relatives, and try to the tutorial. So thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye. We will meet soon in the next video soon. And sorry for the delay of the videos due to some issues of network. So thank you.